Rockall Safety don't just supply, we can also install and maintain your fixed gas detection systems UK-wide, helping you remain compliant with the HSE's EH40 workplace exposure limits. Whether you have an existing system requiring ongoing maintenance, or you need a new system to monitor your process, Rockall's highly qualified and experienced engineers can help. We understand the importance of working round your processes, minimizing disruption and avoiding expensive downtime. With Rockall Safety, you're not just buying equipment. You're investing in an efficient, cost-effective, and fully compliant gas detection solution backed by exceptional experience. For more information, call us, subscribe or go to rockallsafety.co.uk.